In this video, we're going to talk about adding your first post. At this point, since this is a new page, you probably don't have an audience yet. So before you start inviting people to like your new page, we have to make sure we have good content. I recommend making your first post a combination of text and rich media, either a photo or a video. The idea is to not only introduce the business, but also provide something that fans will want to engage with and share with your friends. So be creative. Maybe post a status update, a welcome message. Again, photos or videos are always good. The point here is to provide valuable content that your audience will like, they can share, they can connect with. Here's a couple of examples, one with employees with a picture and another video. So here we are on the main home page, and we're just gonna write our regular post. We can maybe give it a background. And when I create a new page, I always like to have like a welcome message or maybe some instructions on what the page is going to be about. And then we're going to share it. So there you have it. That's how you add your first post to your new page.